Governance for grassroots level na the main foundation of democracy, as local government councils get the most direct influence on the life of the citizens. But when the councils no dey do wetin dem suppose do, the consequences like stalled development, bad infrastructure, and people no longer trusting the government go hit the people hard. The recent investigative report on local government finances for Edo State show say e dey urgent to fix this wahala and bring back transparency and accountability for local level. The investigative panel wey dey inaugurate on Tuesday 17 December 2024 na direct response to the complaints of some people on top the financial mismanagement wey dey within the 18 local government councils for Edo State. Even though say the councils dey get big money allocations, no visible development dey happen. The government see say dem need to investigate wetin dey go on. That's na why dem form the panel to look into how money dey come in, how dem dey spend am, and how the financial matters dey go for the councils. The chairmo of the investigative panel, when he presents the report to Governor Okpebholo, come talk say dem do thorough investigation by using forensic analysis, reviewing documents, and interviewing stakeholders. Say even though say dem face challenges like incomplete financial reports, the panel still discover big financial irregularities wey show how corruption and mismanagement dey happen for the councils.
We are highly honored and most privileged to stand in your midst this afternoon in our capacity as the chairman and members of this panel, which was inaugurated on Tuesday, 17th December 2024. The panel's terms of reference at the inauguration are hereby reproduced and I read: to look into the financial activities of the 18 local government areas in Edo State from 4th September 2023 to date. To inquire into all contracts awarded by the various local government chairmen from 4th September 2023 to date. To determine whether the due process was followed in all contractual approvals given by the local government chairman. To ascertain the amount of money generated internally by the 18 local government from 4th September 2023 to date. To carry out any other tax that is incidental to the foregoing. In our own estimation, and I dare say, as well as that of other panel members, it has been a complex and demanding undertaking. We approached our assignments with almost seriousness and dedication. From the outset, our commitment has been to uncover the truth, to understand the circumstances surrounding the suspensions, and to inquire into the activities of those suspended. During the 2-month period of the assignment, we invited stakeholders, mainly the heads of local government administrations and the leaders of the legislative arms, who are now the acting chairmen of the various local government councils, except in Uredu, where the councillors joined forces with their chairman and abandoned the ship of governance. Besides, we had witnesses who gave the panel some good leads, and we reviewed countless volumes of documents. In the course of our assignment, we met the stakeholders at a single meeting and meticulously examined all available documents which they sent to the panel, following our letters of request demanding vital records of income and expenditure. Your Excellency, sir, we understand the significant public interest in this matter, and we have strived to conduct our investigation with transparency and impartiality. Our goal was not to prejudge or to pursue any particular agenda, but rather to follow the facts wherever they may lead. The task before us was not easy. It required patience, diligence, and a commitment to objectivity. I want to express my sincere gratitude to my fellow panel members for their tireless efforts, their insightful contributions, and their unwavering commitment to this important task. They have worked diligently, often under considerable pressure, to ensure that we fulfill our mandates. I also want to thank the dedicated support staff who provided invaluable assistance throughout this process. Their hard work behind the scenes has been essential to our ability to complete our work. And finally, I extend my appreciation to the witnesses who came forward, sometimes at personal risk, to share their information with us. Their testimony has been crucial to our investigation. We have received the forensic report, a comprehensive document that provides detailed analysis of the financial records and other relevant materials. This report, containing the panel's own findings and recommendations, which will be presented shortly, will be read by the Secretary to the panel and will be submitted to His Excellency for his review and action. Though the work is not complete in terms of site visits and interviews, as well as some forensic aspects that are still ongoing, we have done our best to fulfill the trust placed on us. We are confident that the report we are about to submit will provide a solid foundation for informed decision-making and will contribute to strengthening grassroots governance in our dear states. Thank you, Your Excellency. I most humbly submit this report to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Governor Monday Okpegolo for in response come talk say im go take serious actions on top the findings from the panel, say in government go follow up the matter and im go carry the report personally go EFCC to trace and recover every kobo of money wey dem don chop wrongly, and say dem go work with banks and other anti-corruption bodies. The governor also make am clear say corruption for grassroots level no go happen again, say people wey dey involved for the money mismanagement go face the law and no politician go cover them up.
The truth is that these people have taken Edo for granted. They have taken everything that belongs to Edo into their personal gain. But thank God, God Himself is changing the narrative for Edo people. And I want to also use the opportunity to thank the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Because without him, what we are seeing in Edo today, we can't see it. A lot is happening. PDP have make Edo dried, and nobody is going after them. But this one, we must go after them. They'll be made to suffer for it. And I'm taking this document straight to EFCC myself. And at the same time, I'll follow up to see that justice is done to this. Thank you for your findings, and God bless all of you.
The report where the investigative panel submits now one big turning point for how local government governance go wrong for Edo State. Governor Okpegolo's government don't take strong steps to fix the financial wahala where the panel find, and them go still follow them up with the recommendations. In talks that the people of Edo State deserve better, and in government they determined to restore accountability, integrity, and trust for local governance. Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we not dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.